Many of you wondering why it's been raining so much for so many days in a row now. And part of that is to blame around this area of low pressure, in this particular instance known as an MCV, or mesoscale convective vortex. It's an area of lift that is, in this case, not moving around a whole lot because there's no forcing mechanism to really kick it out like a cold front would do that. For us, it's been producing enough lift with a lot of moisture and clearly very humid air in place to create these tropical downpours that are so prolific rainfall makers. And that's why we've had so many of these 10, 12, 14, 16 inch rainfall reports here lately. Is just the extent of the humidity up and down the atmosphere. Very easy to produce a lot of rain. Now, thankfully on radar now, we've got no rain here locally. In fact, a lot of it has died down, but the past couple of nights we've had this problem where we get a little bit of a lull in the evening, and then overnight into the following morning, another round of downpours and storms develops. We think that might happen again here tonight. Notice what happens on our clouds and radars. We get past 2, 3 in the morning. Downpours and storms start to reform in portions of the hill country again. We may see some showers in the early morning in the metro and our eastern counties too. The placement of this, of course, rather tricky, but more signs than not pointing toward the hill country being at the greatest risk for flash flooding overnight and into tomorrow morning. These downpours may sit on the same areas for hours, producing several inch per hour rainfall rates in some spots, and then likely a further continuation of downpours and storms, not just in the hill country, but possibly in the metro and our eastern counties as we head later into the morning and into the afternoon and evening tomorrow, which is why that flood watch has been extended through even our eastern counties into the early afternoon. Now, looking at these numbers, it may not look all that terrible, but you see the red coloring here? That's some 4-inch plus rainfall amounts. I think there could be some 2 to 6 inch rainfall amounts just tomorrow alone in the hill country, and some 1 to 3 inch isolated amounts possible in our eastern counties. But the flood threat is highest in the hill country tomorrow. It's a 2 out of 4. We think about 60% of the area sees rain tomorrow. A lot of clouds. Highs just in the mid-80s. We didn't get out of the 70s today, but rainfall chances drop much more dramatically for Monday, and only 10% rain chances Tuesday and Wednesday. And beyond that, we're looking drier, hotter, and warmer.